We're on a mission.
Smile, bro. You're on camera. I know you're TikTok famous.
TikTok famous.
If we walk
That's
up
too
by,
much work.
we walk up by our cars, I'm gonna feel like, did I see you on TikTok, bro? I'm gonna be so
See,
loud.
Yo, this is the car from TikTok.
Yeah.
Mine
just-
and Ben is the most recognizable though. Dude, our car's like so light here.
Dude, I need to get that hot carbon fiber hood so bad, bro. That shit looks so fucking good. I don't got my GoPro on my head right now. We're just kind of doing a little light cruise. Go full, go full. Ah, that sounds good. You got literally no exhaust on right now. It's just a straight pipe. That thing sounds mad good. That thing sounds nuts. Jeez, it's packed up here today.
Why don't you park over there? Why don't you park over there? He is.
Hey, it sounds good, bro. I got some good pops.
Mine?
Yeah.
Did it shoot flames yet?
I didn't see anything, no, but it I wasn't directly behind you, but it sounds really good. Sounds real good. Sounds real good. Jeez.
Slow down just a bit.